Embedding HoneyBook into a Squarespace website helps streamline client interactions directly from your site. Here's a concise guide on how to do it. Create a HoneyBook contact form or scheduler link. Log into your HoneyBook account. Navigate to the Tools section and select either the contact form or scheduler. Customize the form or scheduling link according to your business needs. Get the embed code. Once you've created and customized your form or scheduler, click on Embed Code or Share. Copy the provided HTML embed code. Log into Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website where you want to embed the HoneyBook form or scheduler. Edit the page. Go to the specific page or section where you want to add the HoneyBook embed. Click on Edit to modify the content of the page. Add an embed block. Click on the plus or add block button. Select the code block from the options. Paste the embed code. Paste the HoneyBook HTML embed code into the code block. Adjust the block's alignment and size as necessary to fit your page design. Save and publish. Save your changes by clicking Apply or Done. Preview your page to ensure the HoneyBook form or scheduler appears correctly. Publish the page to make it live on your website.